The sun, our life giver, the engine of our solar system, but even this celestial titan is not immortal. It burns through its hydrogen fuel, a cosmic clock ticking down to an inevitable cataclysmic end. What if, instead of a slow fade, our sun went supernova? Let's explore this dramatic, albeit unlikely scenario. Prepare yourself for a journey to the very edge of destruction. Our sun, thankfully, is not massive enough to go supernova in the traditional sense. It lacks the necessary mass to collapse into a neutron star or black hole. Instead, it will become a red giant, then a white dwarf, but for the sake of this simulation, let's suspend reality. Imagine a sudden, unforeseen event, a rogue black hole passing nearby, or an exotic particle interaction within the sun's core. The first sign would be a dramatic increase in solar activity, flares of unimaginable power erupting from the surface. Coronal mass ejections, far larger than anything we've ever witnessed, hurtling through space. Our satellites would be fried instantly. The Earth's magnetic field, our shield against the solar wind, would be overwhelmed. A torrent of radiation would begin to bombard our planet. Next comes the electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, a wave of energy so intense it would cripple every electronic device on Earth. Power grids would collapse, communication networks would fail, society as we know it would grind to a halt. Cities would be plunged into darkness. Chaos would reign as people struggle to survive in a world without technology. The radiation would be relentless. Unprotected humans would suffer radiation sickness within hours. Death would follow swiftly. Even those sheltered underground would face a grim fate as supplies dwindle. The Earth's atmosphere, though initially protective, would slowly be stripped away by the intense solar wind. As the supernova nears, the sun would swell in size, engulfing Mercury and Venus. Earth would be next. The oceans would boil away. The land would become a scorched wasteland. The very rocks would melt under the intense heat. Our planet, once a vibrant blue marble, would become a lifeless cinder. Then the supernova, a blinding flash of light brighter than a billion suns. The Earth would be vaporized instantly, reduced to its constituent atoms scattered across the cosmos. The shockwave from the explosion would ripple outwards, tearing through the solar system. Nothing would be spared. In the aftermath, a nebula would remain, a cloud of expanding gas and dust, the remnants of our sun and its planets. A cosmic ghost, a reminder of the solar system that once was. The universe, however, would continue, indifferent to our fate. New stars would be born. New planets would form. The cycle of creation and destruction would continue endlessly. This simulation, though fictional, serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life. Our existence is a delicate balance. We are dependent on the sun, but also vulnerable to its power. It underscores the importance of understanding our place in the cosmos, and the need to protect our planet from potential threats, both natural and man-made. So the next time you look up at the sun, remember this simulation. Appreciate the warmth, the light, the life it provides. For even though our sun won't go supernova, it will eventually change, and our time in the cosmic spotlight is finite. Let us cherish the present and strive to understand the universe that surrounds us before it's too late.